Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video we'll see the unboxing of this Philips all-in-one trimmer, or to be precise the model MG5930/65 Philips trimmer, which is from the 5000 series. Okay, in the last video I did the unboxing of 3000 series. Anyway, I'll drop the link in the description, you can check it. This is the 5000 series brand new Philips trimmer, and see here, this is the first look. When I did the unboxing, when I opened the box for the first time, the first feel when I see the trimmer is it is looking pretty premium. Even this charging cable is provided, one trimmer, and these extensions, clips you can say. And this trimmer is for body hairs, beard, face hairs, and some private part hairs also. And the user purchased this in the sale currently going on now, and he got it for like 2600 rupees, somewhat near that price. And see here, if you can see, this is the stainless steel what is this trimmer, and you can see this is looking pretty premium. The first thing, or the first comment if I have to say, is it is looking pretty premium, and it is mentioned like this can be used as dry or wet, means the waterproof, you can say. On the wet hairs also you can use this. And let me just keep all the extensions what were given in the box along with the trimmer. Okay, it is stated like the lengths are like 0.5 mm to 16 mm, and each one for a different purpose, for face, for body hairs. Okay, for hairs also, means for haircut also you can just use this extension clips. And this is the charging cable. This is a USB cable. Okay, USB cable means you need to plug into your phone adapter and you can charge. Okay, this is the charging pin. I'll be showing you the trimmer also, the charging slot and everything. This is the brush for the cleaning purpose. There is no oil for the lubrication provided, because these are self sharpening blades. Maybe oil is not given. And this is the nose extension. So this is multiple purpose used trimmer, and this is for when you do the body hairstyle. This is for the protection sort of thing. You can use this as the protection sort of thing, especially when you're doing with body hairs. When you trim body hairs, you can do that. And please do comment if you want those extensions to be tested, means that nose extension and the other extension, that body hairs extension. If you want that, if you can ask in the comments, I'll do a separate video. Means how to remove that head clip, the main clip, and attach this nose extension and everything. I'll be doing it in another video. And Philips all-in-one trimmer, see here, all-in-one trimmer 5000 series. This is what it is mentioned on the box, and they told about the blades and everything. Yeah, and when I hold this in the hand, this trimmer, this Philips trimmer, first of all let us see the extensions. 2 beard combs, 1 mm and 2 mm, and eyebrow combs 3 mm, 5 mm and 7 mm, and this is the body shaver with skin protector. Okay, the extension. And these are 3 hair combs, which is of 9, 12 and 16 mm, and the travel pouch. Yeah, these are different clip extensions for different purpose: face, eyebrow trimming and hair trimming. Okay, just I showcased everything, right? And the user got it for 2600 rupees, what I have mentioned. If we get a close look here, yeah, if you see the close look, these are the extension clips which are looking pretty premium. Okay, these are also solid plastic material, good quality plastic material. Yeah, this is the another extension. Okay, and this is body skin protector when you want to trim the body hairs. Okay, and it is mentioned on the site where the user purchased, it is skin friendly. That is one thing. And I read the reviews also, most of the users stated that it is very skin friendly. Okay, fine. What else? Yeah, this is the nose extension. Yeah, fine. And one thing I like about this trimmer is that grip. That grip thing, it is looking pretty quality, and with a good grip this trimmer is there. And the button is given at the back side, okay, not at the front side, that you need to remember. Let us just put on the charging, so that let us see whether there is indicator or anything. See here, the indicator light is blinking, stating that this trimmer is in charge. Okay, there is a power button at the top. See here in the back side there is the power button, just push button. Okay, yes, you need to on and off with that button. Yeah, let me just on this one so that I can check the power of the motor. The power of the motor is looking decent. Just to eliminate the background noise, I didn't keep the actual trimmer noise, but in the next video I'll be definitely showcasing everything. The blades are looking premium, and the grip is very good, and the motor speed, motor power also is looking pretty good. If you do have any other questions, you can ask in the comments. And this grip is really good. What I like about this trimmer is the look and feel. The performance I need to test.